Uh, Hello, everyone. First, I want to start out by saying hello and sorry about the volume problem I had last time. When I clicked on the link to go to lynda.com, it took me not, it didn't exactly say lynda.com, but for me, it said linkedin.com, and somehow they were linked in together with lynda.com. As I searched Linda's.com website, I was quite excited when I found Lean Six Sigma problem solving methodology. It's actually a whole series of learning. What I want to first say about it is I learned about Lean Six Sigma in my nursing informatics course, bachelor's degree here at SUNY Empire, and it's very helpful in way businesses, even hospitals, problem solve. And if you follow the methodology, it's quite unique. And this is can be useful as a nursing educator in that it's actually becoming one of the components or curriculum for nurses. They must have some knowledge about Lean Six Sigma and health informatics. So I find that this could be a great way of supplementing the students' knowledge. So just a little bit about Lean Six Sigma health informatics is it says that it's a powerful tool that comes with step-by-step analogies. So, for example, they use this acronym, DMAC, which is the recipe for methodology for improving existing processes. It is the backbone of Lean Six Sigma. It's where you define the problem, business cases, and customer requirements. And then the M is measure the current process performance and focus on quality improvement measures. And then A, you're going to analyze for root cause, and then you're going to improve it by eliminating the root cause, and then monitor and take action if the root cause reappears. Another way which we could actually use it in healthcare is that in say pressure sores reduction, they followed the tools format in realizing what actually was causing pressure sores at a hospital here in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. So when they used the actual tool, the Lean Six Sigma tool, that it led to a 60% reduction in pressure sores. So it actually can be used in many different areas in nursing. Business use it, airlines use it, and I find that the video itself was quite engaging. This is it also, when I'm looking at it here, it has like 6 series of learning. So right now I'm showing you the process maps. Whereas in that section, you can actually put a visual of the process or flow that you made of the problem that you're having. For example, if we find that we're having an increase in patient falls, or if it's on a particular unit, it will go step by step by step and analyzing and charting what is the problem so that you could figure it out and thus come up with a plan to reduce it. So I think that this the Six Sigma Green Belt uh, be really useful, for nursing. It even, it goes step by step. And I think this is really helpful. So I'm quite excited to use this website, see what else I can learn. And I plan to actually watch all the Six Sigma series. And then this way I can probably better teach it to my students. And have a nice day, everyone.